Just got my carpet today. This one's machine washable, so you don't have to worry about it because if it has stains, it's stains resistant too. So we got an oval one, all right? But you could get any shapes and sizes and different colors, all right? Now, another great thing is that this is kids friendly, pet friendly, because I do have 2 large dogs in here. And you're gonna see them on it. They're gonna go ahead and greet it because every time I put new carpets, they love to lay on it and they're gonna think it's a bed, but we don't care because these are washable. We don't worry about the stains. Right now, it just came out of the actual bag, so we have to wait for the crease lines to disappear, but throughout time, it'll disappear. And like I said, different colors, different shapes, fits perfect in my hardwood floor and my furniture here. So you guys are looking for something like this or larger or different shapes or different colors, they have it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Because enjoying the carpet. Just came this night and this guy's sleeping like a rock.